Okay, so what to do if guest no show? So if guest didn't arrive in your property, so you need to log into your booking website, select your reservation, guest reservation, for example this one, and here in right section we can mark as no show. Why we should do this? First of all, booking charge commission for every reservation what you receive, and if you will click on guest not show, you will be not charged commission from booking. Yeah, so you do not need to pay for this reservation to booking. So it's very important to mark as no show. So click here, yes, so select your reservation, so guest didn't arrive, click on mark as no show. Here we can see that would you like to waive the no show view for this reservation, so you can select no or yes. And when you will click as mark no show, you will receive confirmation like this, and that's it. So guys, very simple. Make sure to use this in case if guests didn't arrive at your property.